This is the home of the Chef Burger. What do you think I got when I came here? I had to get the Chef Burger. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we're in Elkin, North Carolina, and we're at this awesome place called the Speedy Chef. They say they have the best burgers, hot dogs, and shakes anywhere, and this place has been hopping ever since we pulled in the parking lot. So I can't wait to try. Let's go try them. Yeah, I'm excited to get in here and see what this place is like. It looks like it's just a cool, family-friendly atmosphere, lots of cool stuff on the walls, and our food just came so fast. Yum. I can't wait to dig into this. This is gonna be good. All right. See, you got Dr. Pepper. I got the water. All right, we've got famous junior pork chop sandwich. Look at that. It's got slaw on it. This will not be for me, for my lovely wife. We got some fries. Done extra crispy. Yum. Okay guys, I'm here with Madison, and she works here at the famous Speedy Chef. And what is your favorite thing to eat here?
It would be probably a burger.
This is the home of the Chef Burger. What do you think I got when I came here? I had to get the Chef Burger. So let's open this up and see what it's like. Look, it's so big that the foil doesn't even wrap around it. That tells me so. That's good. That's a good sign already. Two slices of tomato, melted cheese, mayonnaise. Oh, that just looks like a good old burger. When you're eating in the game room, it doesn't get much better than that. I was cheated. I couldn't resist. Made fresh daily banana pudding. I'm gonna have to hurry through my burger so I can get to that. All right. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm super excited about this. I'm glad we're here getting this done. All right, you ready to pray? In Jesus' name we ask it. Amen. Let's try these fries here. Now, we did request them to be extra crispy. This is the way my wife really likes them, and I do as well. So, looks like they've done that. I can see the nice golden brown on the outside. So let's try this out, see how they did. That's good. Nice crunch on the outside. Crinkle cut fry. You just have a crunch on the outside, but you have some good potato on the inside. Yeah, that's the way you cook a crinkle cut fry. Okay guys, I'm a little confused here. This is a Speedy Chef Chef Burger sign, but that sure looks like an ice cream cone to me. Now this makes a little bit more sense. Hot dogs, and that sign looks like a hot dog. I'm not a big ketchup guy, so I got me some ranch dressing. Ranch is good on everything. It's like gravy and cheese. You can never have too much. Ranch is like gravy and cheese. So we're gonna dip the fry in the ranch. Oh yes, yes. Yes, yes. All right, here we go. I'm getting a big old bite of this. All right, so I asked the lady behind the counter, what should I get? What are you known for? She said, our burgers are really good. She didn't lie. This is good. That is just a really good burger. The bread's nice and fresh. Not too much burger. Oh, yes. That's all I can say is yes, yes, yum, yum. Home of the Chef Burger. I would recommend the Chef Burger when you come. Yes. Now, they're real friendly when you order your burger, but don't forget your cash because they don't take cards. do want to try this pork chop because look how big this is. Okay, this is the junior pork chop sandwich. I want you guys to look. The junior pork chop sandwich flows over the bun and it's cut in half. Can you imagine what the actual full pork chop sandwich? It's got to be like this big. That may be what I order next time. Let's see here. All right, I'm getting a bite. I'm not gonna get too much. Oh wow. Hey, look that way. That is really good, guys. You see people here all the time from the same people over and over.
It's a good place for regulars.
And whether you're a local or whether you are coming from far away, this is a great place to get your souvenirs and your stuff just to remember the Speedy Chef by. When your burger is coming down the side of your face, out of your mouth, that's a good burger. I'm just down to my last bites of the burger, and I'm sad, but I'm also happy because I know that once I finish my burger, I got something coming up, and it's right over here. Homemade banana pudding, made fresh every morning. And that looks so good. I can't wait to dive into that. I'm kind of sad this is going away, but I'm happy because that's coming. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a small portion of banana pudding. Their large must be like a Jethro bowl or something, because look, the small is overflowing on the side. If you guys didn't know, banana pudding is one of my favorite desserts in the whole wide world. So we're gonna see how the Speedy Chef banana pudding ranks. I have to be careful. I don't want to lose too much of this off the side. So we got bananas. We got the pudding, nice pudding. We've got some whipped cream on top. Oh, that cookie was perfect. Because you don't want your cookie to be completely soggy, but you don't want it to be crunchy either. And it was just right in the middle. That is the way a cookie is done in banana pudding. Here's one more satisfied full belly. Guys, this place, oh man, it was awesome. It definitely lives up to the reputation. I see why the locals come here. If you get to Elkin, North Carolina, don't drive by the Speedy Chef. This place was great. All right, let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button down below. Also get the notification bell. You don't ever miss any of our videos. Get that big thumbs up right down there. It really does help the channel. Until next time, we'll see ya.